Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook volcano carbonara. We will start by gathering our essential ingredients for this classic Italian dish with a fun twist. You will need about 4 ounces of guanciale, 2 large egg yolks, 1 whole egg, and 1/2 cup of freshly grated pecorino romano cheese. Have your 16 ounces of spaghetti or bucatini ready, along with a generous amount of freshly cracked black pepper. First, dice your guanciale into small, uniform cubes, then cook it slowly in a skillet over medium-low heat. This gentle rendering extracts all its wonderful flavor and creates crispy bits. While the guanciale cooks, bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and season it well with salt. Cook your spaghetti until it is just al dente, saving about 1 cup of that precious starchy pasta water. This water is key for our sauce. Now, prepare the luscious sauce by whisking together your 2 egg yolks, the 1 whole egg, and the pecorino romano cheese in a heat-proof bowl. Add a very generous amount of freshly ground black pepper to this mixture. It truly defines the carbonara flavor. Gradually whisk in a few tablespoons of the hot, starchy pasta water. This careful tempering step helps create a perfectly smooth, silky, and unscrambled sauce. Now, swiftly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.